All right, so working with Jalen, he's got this really cool idea for a broken glass graphic user interface. And so we just grabbed this from textures.com. And so my idea with this is to take this and filter it. So we've got this background layer. I always like to duplicate this. So if I double click, it will turn it into layer 0. And then I can hold down Option. I'm on a Mac. Otherwise, it would be Alt. And then drag it up and make a new layer. Turn off the first layer. Go to my second layer, the copy, because I want to make sure I have a photo of it still. Then I'm going to go to filter and filter gallery. Now, Jalen, we had done these filters with your other piece. Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
look how beautiful it is. It's almost like already done because your filter was the last thing that I used on here. So right now these levels are 5, 6, and 2. We can change the edge simplicity if we want more information. I think more is better for yours. Number of levels. It's pretty sweet. Um, the image itself might need to get a little bit higher contrast, but I think that this is kind of doing it. What do you think, Jalen?
Yeah, the little uh details coming off from it.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna show that.
Yeah, so I'm going to turn this one on and then we'll kind of go back and forth between the two of it. See how it kind of just made it look like a comic, essentially? Um, But what I'd like to do is do it again with another version of it. What I'd like to do is, so I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to run a curve on this. So Command M is a shortcut, or you can go to Adjustment, Curves. I want to make the midtones a little bit brighter. See if I can, see how I'm getting more color tones in here? I'm trying to get, I want to see if I can get that to come through. So this is before and this is after. So now I'm going to try a filter on this. So filter and then filter gallery. I want to click that one instead of the other one so that I can do the altering again. So edge simplicity. See, this is pretty sweet. I have more to work with, right, than the previous time. So you just find something that works for you.
Yeah.
Like maybe that, or maybe like that where you get a different color section. See, this is too realistic when the edge simplicity is way there. So, and maybe it's actually a combination of the two things that we do that could make it look pretty sweet. So, do you like the way that that looks?
Yeah, take that, push
Yeah,
it through.
so
Yep.
what we could do is take this one and this one. Okay, so let's take a look at all these versions. This one, this version, and this version. You can take these and merge them together by taking opacity of these, right? See
Hmm.
that? Um, and then the other thing that you're going to try to do is you're ultimately going to like make this look blue or something, right? So I mean that's
Yeah.
just color adjustment. So you go up above it and you do that half moon cookie thing and do a hue sat and hit colorize, and that looks pretty sweet. But like yours, the whole thing might be blue. I might need to like lighten it and saturate it, and like I don't know like what kind of tone you're using, but see. So now we essentially have it, and then you put it into your graphic user interface.
Okay. Yeah, no, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, and it's fast, right? So um, I think that's a nice function for you, and that's a couple of layers that we did to get it. But and so this is that's the original, like without anything. So that
Yeah.
even might be fine without that. But this is more graphic, and this is a little bit more realistic. So you might even want to go with that version. So yeah.
Yeah, take that, mess with it, paint over it if I want. I don't know.
Yeah, absolutely. Like painting over it is something that you might do. Like you might even take this space right here, like select it. I'm hitting W, and then not have that be blue by making it be black here. So in the mask. So I'm gonna hit G for the dumper tool, get the black in there, and then see, and now it's more dynamic, right? It's like really,
Oh yeah.
because I did it as a mask. So that's beautiful. And then when you want to take it and put it into your graphic user interface thing, I'm going to hit C for crop and make it really bigger, because you're really going to just have that be one little element, right?
All
So
right.
I'm going to zoom out. So this whole thing is just going to be like up here, right? So I'm going to make this much, much bigger. My crop is set to square right now, but basically it's going to live like that, right? I'm going to hit return.
Yeah, up in the top.
Yeah. And then, so then the idea is, could you just go away, that little thing? Okay. Then, I mean, you just need your background color is going to just kind of pick up off of that color, right? Grab this, hit G, right? And then you have to kind of make it match that feel. Command U. I probably just need to darken this until it starts to match. There you go. And then I might turn this whole thing. I'm going to group this, Command G. Hit the move tool, not auto select, Command T to spin it, because I think I want this to just kind of live right there and get rid of some of this stuff. So I'm going to Option drag this group. I'm going to turn off this one, and I'm going to merge this one, Command E. Ooh, something happened bad to this color, essentially. Command U, which is QSAT, and I'm just going to try to match that color again. Saturate. It's probably just a matter of dark and blue and stuff. Anyways, matching that color is part of the goal. So close. And then come through and erase some of this stuff. So grab a softy eraser and make it big and just kind of like erase this stuff. Right? And then now we've got our little crack. And then you have your sketch that you already have over top of it. And we would just be for brush. I don't know if you're going to have it like be yellow or
yeah, something complimentary.
What is your and then we're filling it with energy, right? That's essentially what we're making right here. Is that right? Something like that? Because it's graphic user interface for your game. So yeah. All right, I like our where we're headed sketch. Okay, that'll stop our recording then. Let me stop it. Thank you.